Hello, sister. I wish my sisters a happy new day. Today I am going to give my sisters a shirt. For middle-aged people like this. Oh, this arm is rolling, but it's capital broken. Part above. This part didn't hit. I will guide you to throw this shirt. It's all over this hip. And here's the hand. For this model, I will sew it with fabric. Linen now. We're going to start going into the template design. The first step is, we'll determine the length of the dress. The length of the shirt here is 60. This dress will be 60 hectares long. Then I will cross a path. This line is called the shoulder line. I will be the shoulder. Dividing by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. If I have a shoulder measurement, here's another one. Then you'll take it. Let me put a different number here. Here is 16. Then I'll lower my shoulders by 4 inches. If I put her here, I'll take her. Dividing by 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I'm going to take this as 6. Then we'll connect the 6th to the 4th. Then you will have a shoulder to shoulder. Next, I'll do the lower chest. Row. If you have a chest here, you will take it as a chest. You divide your year by 2. The bust here is 80 divided by 5, plus 2 will be 18. Down here is 18. A whole perpendicular line. Then I'll take it with my chest. Divide by 4 plus by 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is 22. After I get the lower chest, continue. I took the part, lower waist. If I lower my waist here, I'll be equal to 35. This lower waist, you will measure on the body. The 7th neck to the position of the part. At the elbow level. From the lower waist, yes, I am on a road. You will get the way. It's about the same as the waist. Divide by 4 and you add 2 to 64. Divide by 4 plus 2 and we get 18. If you have a different waist, you can go in. If you have other breasts, you can go in. Then apply this formula. Then I'll calculate raha. This is 18. And the last part I'll get is the part. Her ass is divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Then I measured. It's 22 from the outside in here. After I get it. The line above is also 22. Then I'll connect to the chest. It's on the waistline and it's on the butt line. And here you're going up to this is ba. And this is the framework that I'm going to do. After you've done it. So now we will continue. I painted for the body. Hand rolled ha. Then from out here, you're going to step back and give yourself 7 inches. And we're going to draw for the old part. Outside this neck, I'm going back to 4. Take down the back of the neck, which is 8. Let's draw a circle for the collar. And then right to this point. If you have to gas stations, you stop. And you guys come down here and above and gas. I'm going to draw a drop here. Say it again from out here. You measure at 4 and then I measure down here at 8. I drew a circle. And from here, you cut out 2 millimeters of gasoline. And deep down from here is gasoline. Then we'll split this ancient part in half. And you're going to bring this part back to the part. There was 7 gasoline earlier. Then I'll beat the armpit. I can beat the armpit. Then this part of your hand will stretch out for you. And this long arm, you're going to start counting from outside this number 4. Give me 26 cubic meters of gas. 26 here. And then we're going to build a perpendicular line. That's a perpendicular line. It's right where the line is perpendicular. Then you will go straight in. This is also a perpendicular line. I'll draw the backhand later. It's become a roller coaster. Then we adjust the width of the arm. I connected this. And from this point, you split in 2, and I'll bend. Put it up is a gasoline. Then this whole piece will belong to the hand knife body before. I'll cut and adjust from this body. Becomes the hand part of the back body. By being. You guys go to this section. Give me 4. And then I stretch to this part. If you get to this point, you will come here. Back up, this is 4, and the length of here is the same. This shirt is a body shirt. Wide body comfortable wear. So it's me. There's no adjustment on the bottom here. I just adjusted the hand. Now I will cut out the sleeve. And you notice the Arabic part. I share instructions for you. If there is no seam, remember to leave the seam. Except the seams when we cut on the fabric. Now let's cut the back of the body first. I cut along the red line. Then you cut. Finish the part body before and body after it together. Then we will adjust the armpits a little bit. The body first, it will follow the way. The blue one is the part. The armpit of the back. It will adjust a little. Now I will be across the chest line of the back. Then from here, you will step back and give me 5 inches. These 5 parts are divided in 2. And we're going to go this one a little bit deeper than that one. I will be able to draw the back of the body. Then you'll come up here, give me a ride, then it's split in half. Come in and give me 5 glasses. We're going to get the rollers of the back. Let's cut this middle road. Then this will be the roller arm part of the SAO body. I'll paste it later. This is the SAO body. Later, the sisters gave a body because here I'm going to make it with double fabric. Then I'll separate the back body with the roller liner. Come here separately. My tongue will adjust. Then, now I'm going to continue cutting for the body. Before the body, you will cut the road. the water before. Then to the round neck. Then to the shoulder. And here I'm going to cut the lid. This will be the body first. Leave it alone. You see, this is a large part of the previous body. Previously, you also gave one. That is, after I finish the first part. Then you will take the piece, front body hands with back body hands. That you will. Together. Adieu. This dress of mine is going to have a slight breast pull. Slight breast retraction above the hands. So this is the front hand you're going to put here. Put it back. Then you'll have a gap. 8 inches. Connect in. Let's put this part back together and you will adjust it to the previous neck. And it folds to the back neck here. Then this paragraph, you will be able to draw this dip. May withdraw dip. We split it up on the neck. I may withdraw. And the lower part here is the hand door. The door, you will put the elastic band in so that you'll be able to do the embedded hand in this position. This hand is the front hand. This hand is the back. This is before. That's when we're done. Then you will. Did you finish the shirt? This kind of middle age. This is the sleeve. This is the back body, and this will be the front body. If your sister doesn't know how to make this Arabic model directly on the fabric, remember to comment, let me know. There are 10 comments. If you ask for a guide, I will guide you. Sisters the way we are. Put this Arabic part on the cut cloth and sew it. And now, goodbye. I wish you success. See you all again.